Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Namecheap. So first of all, sign in with your account and then use the search bar to find the register or domain and register a domain, and then navigate to the hosting section to choose and purchase a hosting plan. Go to the domain list to manage your domain settings such as DNS records or and renewal options. And for hosting plans, access cPanel through your Namecheap account to manage your website and email settings. These steps will help you get started with Namecheap's domain registration and hosting services. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.